Hi there! Today I'm gonna explain you what is console.log and why we should use it in JavaScript. In the second part of this tutorial, we will see together a practical example using our Visual Studio Code. Let's get started. So first of all, what is console.log? It's a method, okay? It's a method that displays or prints the output of a given code in JavaScript. What does it mean? So we have a code, and this method helps us to see the result, the output of this code. And now the second question, why we should use it? So it's basically we should use it because it helps us to see if the code that we write is right, is good, is correct, is bad, and how we can fix it. So it's a good tool, it's a very helpful tool that helps us, to see where is the problem and how can we fix it. Now let's go and jump and see all this in our Visual Studio Code. So here we have our screen with Visual Studio Code. I have a very simple HTML document, in order to have the console view, we should press F12, press the button F12, all right. So let's write a script tag, and very easy, console.log, and write your message, the message that you want to print in the console. For example, I write 2 + 2, and I have the result 4 in the console, as you can see. I want, for example, to change it and write a sentence. I just put it between quotes, as you know, and write, I don't know, for example, let's write hi, Great. Now, I want to show you how can we use console.log to test our code and see if it works or not, and how can we fix it, How can we use let's say, the information that we have in our console to fix the problem that we have in our code, For example, let's create a function and name it my function, that I have it in the button. If you notice, as you can see in the button, unclick function, my function. So let's create a variable, and let's call it x assignment operator document.getElement by id, and let's write the id demo, inner HTML, So briefly, what I did here, I create a variable, a container, and its name is x, and I put the inner of this p in it, So I select it. Now I write console.log, and between parentheses, let's write x, and see what we'll have in our console. So let's refresh the page. If I go to the button, and press the button or click the button, I should see this sentence. Right. Excellent. Now, for example, if I change it and just write B, refresh the page and press the button, I have this message or error message explaining all this stuff. So it's a very useful tool that helps us to see our code and what's happening exactly. I will put it just a bit bigger, the screen, in order to see it. So this is the whole, or the main idea of using console.log, just to test our code, in the console, not in our page, in the console. So I hope that is enough clear, and see you in next video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.